Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. On today's recipe we are making African salad. This is a very delicious meal of eastern part of Nigeria, Igbo people. This is one of their local delicacies. So let's go ahead and start cooking. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. This is dry pepper and ehuru. This is a closer look of ehuru, how it looks like. And this is salt, seasoning cube, and crayfish. This is ugba, oil bean in English, ugba in Igbo language. And this is onions already sliced. This is palm oil, of course. No ugba without palm oil. And this is ungo. This is a very good substitute for potash. To some people, potash react to their tummy, but this is very good. So this here is a very important step you don't need to skip. You have to toast the dried chili pepper with the ehuru. So after that, this is exactly how it will look like. And here I have utazi leaf already sliced. So here I just have to blend everything I need to blend. So I'm blending the already toasted pepper and ehuru seed. And after that, I will blend the crayfish as well. So after blending all, here is the main ingredient, abacha. This is how it looks like at its dry form. So I have to soak it into a very hot water so that it will get softened. So after it has soaked for like 4 to 5 minutes, you sieve it and wash it. This is the end product. So this is ready to be used. The next stage is the mixture of all the ingredients we have prepped. So in this empty pan, you add your red oil, palm oil. Then after that, you add the ungo and mix it very well. When you mix it, you'll notice that it changes color to yellowish color. Add your seasoning cube. Add a little hot water to loosen it up. Then continue stirring. Add some salt and continue mixing. Add some of the blended pepper and ehuru mixture to the add the pomo and toss it inside the sauce so that it will be well coated with the sauce. So after that, we remove them to a separate plate. So here we'll start adding the rest of the ingredients. We just added the blended crayfish, the remaining pepper ehuru sauce, the onions, and a little hot water to loosen it up. Start adding the ugba and the abacha. Mix them very properly until all of them are coated with the sauce, ugba sauce. Add the utazi leaf and mix everything very well. If you are watching this video up to this extent, it means that you like it. Please hit on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your family and friends, like, and please drop a comment of questions about this delicious delicacy. Taste for salt and adjust if required. And abacha is very ready. Please come and join me. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this. Just look at this. Thank you so much for watching this. I so much appreciate you. Thank you. And I hope you give it a try.